Babe, you said you can't find no scissors. Hold this real quick. Welcome back, everybody, and we back with another video, man. Welcome back, everybody. We back with another video. In today's video, man, you already know what's going down. We about to get these doors done. Let's get into it. So, hey, without further noise, you already see what's going on. I got the door already prepped. It's gonna hold 2 8s. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 8s is gonna go in the back doors. I already got it down and everything, but the crazy thing about it is yesterday when I was working on it, I didn't make sure it fit the door and the door open and close like it should. So that's where I'm at today. If it doesn't pass, then I'm gonna have to start over a little bit, take that bottom part down, sand it down, get it wherever you needed to get it. But let's see where it goes. So we got the door on now without resistance. Let's see if it closes. Ooh, no, not yet. So let's see what's stopping it from closing. Ooh. So I see the problem. The problem is right here needs to be taken off. So this part right here, I'm gonna have to take it back down, probably sand down, probably about from here to about right there. Sand that down, sand this down a little bit more down here, and it should clear, baby. Let's get it going. Fiberglass. This is all it is fiberglass and resin. I put almost a little bit of it in the cup, and then I put about 10 squirts of this in there to make it go ahead and cure fast, because I'm in a little rush process. I cut my darn hand. I didn't even know I cut my hand. I guess I don't know where to cut it at. But that's what I got so far. I'm gonna turn you back on when I get ready to add the next coat of resin up there, because I gotta go over where you see it's still light at. These light spots gotta be dark. They can't be. I want this as strong as possible, and then I'm gonna flip it over and do the back of it around the edges to make it as strong as possible. And then next step would be the fiberglass, but this is day one. I mean, it's actually day 2, but day 1 of recording, so I've been slacking, so I said I'm definitely gonna step back up on it. Excuse the mess, I am gonna get all this cleaned up back here, but it's my little work section when I ain't at my shop. I don't have electric at the shop right now, so I gotta kind of work from home at the same time as at the shop. But excuse the mess, but so I got it resin down. And it's still wet, but this is what it's gonna, that's the first set of resin. But this is what it's gonna look like when I add the second coat of resin. It's gonna look just like this. Then I'm gonna come add the fiberglass. And that's gonna be it. Sand it down, and then paint it black. Yeah, you see it from that working. I'm not gonna post pictures on my social medias, because if you want to see what I'm working on, what I'm cooking up, then you better go see my YouTube channel.